Hi friends, welcome to Boozer. This is a web app that was created using a Rails backend which was already provided on a React front end. This is an app in which users can look through cocktail recipes, they can delete cocktails and share with their friends. If we go back to the home page, we can also add our own cocktails. This right here is a recommendation based on the weather. Since we have clear skies, the app recommends that we relax a little with this cocktail right here. If we click the link, we get taken to the cocktail card, and here we have the cocktail information. We have the name, the description, the instructions, and the ingredients. We can go ahead and share this cocktail. This is done through Email.js. We can put our buddy's name right here, our name right here, and our buddy's name in this field. This is the message, which is the cocktail recipe. We can go ahead and send this. When we do, we should receive an email from the app. Well, our friend should receive an email from the app, which is right here. So this is the cocktail recipe and signed from our friends at Boozer. Once again, this was done using Email.js. So we can also create a cocktail. We can do AAA, AAA since we need some help. Description, great cocktail, super simple. Instructions, pour some vodka in a cup, drink the bottle, and chase with water. Ingredients, we're going to need some vodka, of course, maybe 13 ounces, and some water. Then we can hit submit, and once we hit submit, we get taken to the cocktail that we just created. Let's say we don't want this cocktail anymore, and we can go ahead and delete it, and once we delete it, it will disappear from the nav right here, and it would disappear from view pretty much. So we can go ahead and delete this, and we get taken back to the home page.